Welcome back. You're watching round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. We have a correction to the scores in the English language face-off. Savanna-la-Mar did in fact spell spiritual correctly the first time around, so they gained that point. And it was incorrectly passed to solid base, and they gained a point, so they will lose 1 point for that. And for the math question, what is the value of 26.29 plus 2.91? The answer for your information is actually 29.20. So the scores are, and also, sorry, for English language, we'll accept prepared from solid base for the question form an adjective from the verb to prepare. So the scores are now Savanna-la-Mar primary on 8 and solid base still on 13. And now it's time for the final challenge. And in this section, questions are thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, we begin with local affairs, and it's a visual. So look at the monitor and identify the person. That's solid base.
Patsy Edwards Henry. Patsy Edwards Henry.
Correct. President of the Nurses Association of Jamaica. Sports. In netball, what playing position is designated by the letters WA? Wing attack. Bible knowledge. Which man had his name changed to Israel? That's solid base.
Isaiah.
Incorrect, it's Jacob. Science. In the Caribbean, to which food group do peas and beans? That's solid base.
Legumes.
They belong to legumes, correct. English language. Does the word torrid mean mild, scorching, or friendly? It's scorching. Music. Erica Atkins Campbell and Tricina or Tina Atkins Campbell formed which gospel duo? Mary Mary. General knowledge. Which South American leader was known as the Great Liberator? Simón Bolívar. Television. It's a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this actress. Brooke Shields. Mathematics. What is the area of a square if it has a perimeter of 9.6 centimeters? (5.76 centimeters squared). Social studies. Approximately what percent of the Earth's surface is covered by land? Savanna-la-Mar primary.
29%.
Correct. Television. Which cartoon character was the fastest bird on Earth? And that's solid base.
Roadrunner. Roadrunner.
Correct. And always was 1 step ahead of Wile E. Coyote. Sports. This is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricket captain. Sir Garfield Sobers. Bible knowledge. Who saw Elijah taken up to heaven in a chariot of fire? Elisha. Science. Arrange this food chain in order. Worms, decayed plants, birds. Solid base?
Mine. Decayed plants, worms, birds.
Correct. English language. Without changing the tense, correct the error in this sentence. One of the chairs are in the room. Sorry, that's Savanna-la-Mar.
One of the chairs is in the room.
Correct. Music. Which American gospel artist recorded the song Stand? Donnie McClurkin. General knowledge. The Bayahibe rose is the national flower of which Caribbean country? Dominican Republic. Local affairs. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of the Grace Kennedy Group in Jamaica? Donald Webby. Mathematics. What is the value of x if 2x minus 19 equals 35? The answer would have been 27. That bell signals the end of today's match. The scores show Savanna-la-Mar on 12 and Solid Base on 19. We'll go for a break, double check the scores, and when we return, the final results will be given. Please stay with us. We'll be right back.